What is LSC? LSC stands for Low Spatter Control. This is going to be a short circuit mode of transfer. This is great for open root pipes and plates, thin stuff, galvanized steel. It can be used on stainless steel. With it being a short arc process, mainly we're not going to use it for anything aluminum, but anything steel or stainless steel. It works great, and it also offers the same two background parameters of penetration stabilizer and arc length stabilizer, which again can be set as auto, so the machine makes the adjustment within the arc parameters to give you the best weld possible. For the LSC process, you will go welding process, process tab, right top, and click LSC.